Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Colors. In this video, we have 10 multiple choice questions with answers for all competitive exams. Now I am going to tell you the answer of the question asked in the previous video. So the answer is option A, 5 liter. Now let's start the quiz. Question number 1. Which is the largest commercial bank in India? Options are ICICI Bank, Punjab National Bank, HDFC Bank, State Bank of India. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option D, State Bank of India. Question number 2. Which financial institution is known as the lender of last resort? Options are World Bank, Reserve Bank of India, International Monetary Fund, State Bank of India. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option B, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 3. What does B2C stand for in marketing? Options are business to customer, business to company, business to consumer, business to corporate. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, business to consumer. Question number 4. What is the primary objective of monetary policy? Options are promote employment, control inflation, encourage savings, regulate foreign trade. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option B, control inflation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a direct tax? Options are income tax, corporation tax, goods and services tax, wealth tax. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, goods and services tax. Hey viewers, here is the question for you. So the question is, which of the following is not a function of the Reserve Bank of India? Options are regulation of currency, control of credit, accepting deposits from public, banker to the government. Please write your answer in the comment box now. I will tell you the answer in the next video. Question number 6. Which financial ratio indicates the company's ability to meet its short-term liabilities? Options are current ratio, debt in equity ratio, price earnings ratio, return on equity. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, current ratio. Question number 7. What does FDI stand for? Options are foreign direct investment, federal direct investment, foreign domestic investment, federal domestic investment. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, foreign direct investment. Question number 8. Find the odd one out. Options are 24, 42, 36, 65, 48, 84, 56, 65. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option D, 56, 65. Question number 9. A series of numbers is given 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. Find the next number in the series. Options are 36, 42, 44, 50. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option B, 42. Question number 10. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. The weather was so dash that we decided to go for a picnic. Options are bad, hot, pleasant, windy. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, pleasant. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Quiz Class for more exciting quiz videos.